Mooncakes. They're the taste of Mid-Autumn Festival in China. Every year, families gather together, share mooncakes, drink tea, and admire the full moon. Here, you're seeing a Chinese family making mooncakes by hand. The ingredients are simple. A wooden mold carved with lucky symbols, dough mixed with oil, and fillings made from dried fruits, sugar, and jam.
和成型儿，10度就刚好。
She rolls out the dough, wraps the filling, presses it into the mold, and gives it a little tap. The mooncake pops right out. Then it goes into the oven to bake until golden and fragrant. I didn't film the baking part, but here's the final result. Some came out perfect. Some a little funny. That's the charm of handmade food. Mooncakes come in many shapes. Round ones for reunion. Gourd-shaped for good fortune. Pomegranate-shaped for futility and blessings. And even playful ones like Monkey King or Jade Rabbit. The most special one is this big, round mooncake. Each family makes just one, and during the reunion, it's cut like a cake. One slice for each member, symbolizing togetherness. If you ever come to China, you can make mooncakes yourself too, and taste your own creation. I can also show you more of China's traditional crafts, dumpling making, dough figurines, woodblock printing, Buddhist statue crafting, lacquer work, leather craft, weaving, things you'll never find in a regular tour. I'll be sharing more of these experiences soon. If you enjoy discovering real Chinese traditions, follow me for more. Sending blessings from China. May you be happy and at peace.